Guys, we got a 2014 Ford Fusion 2.5 liter SE 4-cylinder. This is what it sounds like before factory. Go ahead. Again. One more. And as you guys can see from the sound decibels, again, right at 82. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a muffler delete right there. See how huge this muffler is? We're gonna leave the resonator and the rest of the exhaust stock and see how it sounds. We'll let you guys hear it after. There's a muffler. And we're gonna put a 4-inch tip on it, double wall stainless steel. All right, guys, so we showed you what it looked like before. 2014 Ford Fusion 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. So this is what it looks like after we finished with it. Still got factory converter up there, factory resonator there, 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, and then we did a muffler delete, a rear muffler delete right there, and put a 4-inch tip right there. Looks so much better, a lot cleaner. Fits the gap nicely, as you guys can see right there. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's the huge, gigantic muffler that was on it before. That's perfect, yeah. That sounds really nice. Hear your sound decibels? Right at 103. Go ahead and back it up. 103, that's perfect. So much better. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Ford Fusion 2.5 muffler delete. Hold on a second.